How to clean the Ryobi 1 Plus cordless lawnmower. So first things first, you want to take out the battery. Also, you can take out the big red key. However, I don't think this is necessary as you've took out the battery. However, if you want to be ultra safe, take out that big red key. Now first thing to say is we do not use water. I have seen people say you can use water, however the manual with these Ryobi cordless lawnmowers says you shouldn't. So we'll listen to that. Now the first thing I like to do is dismantle the handle. So we undo these wing nuts here and fold down the handle. Then you want to remove the grass collecting basket. Now if this is the start of the season, I'll just give this a quick brush down with a stiff brush. However, if it's the end of the season, I'd make sure that all the grass is out of the grass collecting basket. Now what we want to do is flip up this back flap here and give everything a good brush down. Try and get rid of as much grass as possible. Once that's done, I like to flip the Ryobi cordless lawnmower onto its nose. Let me just adjust the angle for us. The bottom here is after just doing my lawn once. Now, if you've left it a lot longer, your grass will be much thicker and more caked on. So if you're like me normally and you don't clean it after every session, it'll be a lot more thicker and baked on than this. So what I recommend you getting is a wallpaper scraper, and you may need that to scrape the bottom of your Ryobi cordless lawnmower. Now do be careful because it is plastic, so you will scrape it. So try and keep it flat to the surface so you don't scrape the bottom and make gouges in the bottom. However, some cases that's what you need to do to get that thick, caked on grass. But if you do it regularly and just after each session, a stiff bristled brush is all you'll need. And I also do recommend getting some safety gloves when you do this, because if your knuckles hit that blade, even though it's not on, it will really hurt. Trust me, I know from experience. Then all we need to do is give it a good brush underneath. I'll speed this process up. Just get all that grass from underneath. And that stiff bristled brush should do the job for you. As I say, you may need a wallpaper scraper if you've left it a long time. And there you go, nice and clean. Ready to store. You also may want to brush the wheels down like this. And also occasionally give them a bit of WD-40 on the mechanism to make sure they keep rolling properly. But other than that, it should be good to go and stored away. But remember, don't use that water on it. It's not safe to do so, and the manual says we shouldn't, so I'll stick to them rules. And there we go, ready to store, nice and clean. So hopefully that helps you clean your Ryobi cordless lawnmower. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.